So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we will be doing a project overview of Meridian Riverside, which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, and developed by Mantra Properties. In this video we will be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet areas, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before getting into the project details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer through Housey and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. So now let's go and have a look at the project overview. Meridian Riverside will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 12 towers with ground plus 18 plus ground plus 27 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK premium luxurious residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के कनेक्टिविटी और सराउंडिंग की। तो आप मेरे बैक साइड में देख सकते हैं, ये है इनका सेल्स ऑफिस एंड इन फ्रंट आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल। तो कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, लैंड पार्सल से अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो प्रोजेक्ट इज़ जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट, बालेवाड़ी गांव, बालेवाड़ी पुणे विथ राधा चौक आपको विदिन मिल जाता है 3.3 किलोमीटर, डी मार्ट बानेर मिल जाता है 2.3 किलोमीटर, जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल विदिन 3.2 किलोमीटर. Coming to the amenities part, project has 25 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, kids play area, banquet zone, multi-purpose court and many more. And now moving forward to carpet area of Meridian Riverside has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK luxurious premium residences having 2 BHK starting from 835 to 879 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1046 to 1071 square feet, 3 BHK duplex starting from 1171 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 1740 square feet. Now let's discuss about the booking process. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model of the project. We'll give you the payment and pricing schemes also, and we'll show you the actual location tour, and if clients like the project, we'll continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Meridian Riverside, which is located near Balewadi Gaon, Balewadi, Pune and developed by Mantra Properties. अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखने चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर वीडियोस डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.